Imagine a date that brought the dawn of a nation, the roar of battlefield bravery, breathtaking artistic feats, and scientific firsts, all on one stage. August 7th. From revolutions to radio to independence. It's a day when history turned its gears in ways that still ripple through our lives. Hi, and welcome to Earthsides on this day series. Today we're traveling through August 7th, a date packed with moments that shape nations, arts, and scientific progress. We're breaking it down in four key parts: Canadian independence and early aerial diplomacy, U.S. bravery, from posthumous honors to frontier order, radical feats, radio waves, and tightrope walks, and finally, global shifts from broadcasting breakthroughs to space exploration. Buckle up. These stories are history's hidden threads made vivid. This day in 1960, the Ivory Coast stepped onto the global stage, claiming independence from French colonial rule after over 6 decades. A surge of nationalism burned bright, with Félix Houphouët-Boigny as its first president. Just a short while before, back in 1782, on this very day, General George Washington created the badge of military merit, known today as the Purple Heart. A symbol of valor, it remains one of America's most meaningful military honors. Imagine this contrast. One August 7th birth of a brand new nation. Another paid tribute to courage in battle. Two sides of the same coin, freedom and sacrifice, from flags unfurling and medals pinned. Let's shift focus to the arts and the extraordinary. August 7th, 1974. A man walked a tightrope between the Twin Towers. Philippe Petit's astonishing performance 1,300 feet up changed the world's idea of art in action. Next, in 1909, women didn't just cross continents, they drove across them. Alice Hewler Ramsey and her friends completed a 59-day transcontinental trip, an early rallying cry for female independence. Then in 1930, a tragic tragedy unfolded. 2 African-American men, Thomas Shipp and Abram Smith, were lynched in Indiana, a grim reminder of racial terror in the United States. Art, courage, tragedy, and diplomacy, all threaded through August 7th history. Now let's turn to revolution on land, aboard ships, and through radio waves. During World War II, August 7th, 1942 marked the beginning of Operation Watchtower, the U.S. Marines' first major offensive against Japan at Guadalcanal. It was a perilous turning point in the Pacific theater. In 1947, explorer Thor Heyerdahl's Kon-Tiki completed its epic journey, 101 days and 4,300 miles on a balsa raft across the Pacific, testing the limits of maritime imagination. And in 1976, NASA's Viking 2 began orbiting Mars, charting the way for human dreams of reaching other worlds. Conflict, discovery, science, all happening on the same date through centuries. August 7th is a rich history of exploration. In 1990, the Gulf War began as President George H.W. Bush ordered Operation Desert Shield, a decisive moment in modern Middle Eastern geopolitics. And in 1998, twin terrorist attacks rocked the U.S. embassies in Nairobi and Dar es Salaam, killing over 200, including Americans, an early, tragic symbol of global terror. But it wasn't all grim. Explorer 6 launched in 1959, sending back Earth's first satellite images, ushering in a new era of global awareness. And in 1991, Tim Berners-Lee opened the World Wide Web to the public, igniting the digital revolution. Today, August 7th, shows us that history isn't just cannon fire or cosmic pictures. It's also courage, protest, discovery, and unity. Which August 7th story moved you most? Was it the independence of nations, the walk on air, the web's beginning? Let us know below. Your thoughts enrich our shared past. If you enjoyed this exploration, please like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to come back tomorrow as we continue our journey through Earthsides on this day series.